Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is European Commission unveils action plan on drone and counter-drone security to boost EU defense readiness. On February 11, the European Commission published its action plan on drone and counter-drone security, setting out a united approach against threats posed by malicious drones. The initiative is intended to support member states through coordinated action that complements national measures. The action plan focuses on enhancing preparedness, boosting detection capacities, coordinating responses, and strengthening the EU's defense readiness. It aims to provide a structured framework for cooperation while respecting national responsibilities. The Commission said the action plan will complement and support member states in boosting Europe's defense readiness through innovation and industrial cooperation. It also seeks to strengthen the wider drone ecosystem by encouraging closer collaboration between governments and industry. Support will be stepped up through the Drone Alliance with Ukraine, with the objective of accelerating the development of affordable defense technology and fast-tracking mass production. This work is expected to underpin both the European Drone Defense Initiative and the Eastern Flank Watch Initiative, a flagship project proposed in the Defense Readiness Roadmap 2030. Existing EU funding programs already back the technological development of drones and counter-drone capacities, notably through Horizon Europe and the European Defence Fund. The Commission will continue financial support for member states through these instruments, as well as via the European Defence Industry Programme and SAFE loans. As a next step, the Commission will launch discussions with member states on the proposed actions and key priorities, based on the principle of co-ownership. It will also work closely with other stakeholders, including industry and the European Parliament. To coordinate implementation, the Commission will consider establishing, together with member states, a strategic mechanism to connect the different strands of the initiative and ensure close cooperation with the Council. It has also proposed that member states appoint national drone security coordinators to foster and oversee national implementation of the actions set out in the plan. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.